How to make money in stock market. It is always said that one can make large amounts of wealth in the stock market, but at the same time there remains a risk of losing that wealth as well. Here are 7 tips to make money in stock market. 1. Avoid herd mentality. The decision to buy and sell stocks should not be dependent on acquaintances. Do not invest in stock because people around are also investing in it. You should avoid such practices as they do not yield well in long term and often end up with heavy losses. 2. Take research-based decisions. Always make sure you research thoroughly before investing in the stock. Since the research gives vital information about market trend, it is not always necessary to go by the company name. Instead, try to look for the performance trend so as to earn better. 3. Invest in a business. Always invest in a business than a stock. This means thoroughly understand the business of the company instead of just looking at the stock value for better returns. Understanding of company's business will help you to make better decisions. 4. Never time the market. It is always advised by the experts to never time the market. No one ever had been successful in it and you might end up with heavy loss. It is not really possible to catch the top and the bottom prices accurately for any stock because it is always relative. 5. Never let emotions overshadow judgment. The inability to control emotions, especially fear and greed, has always caused huge loss to the investors. Greed and fear often lead to wrong decisions like creating heavy positions in futures, investing largely in unknown companies. Therefore, it always advised to not let the emotions overshadow the judgment while taking any investment-related decisions. 6. Invest only surplus funds. An investor should only invest the surplus funds. Since it is a volatile market and always have a risk of loss, later he can use his gains from the market for further investments. 7. Rigorous monitoring is required. Rigorously monitor to get updated on trends. Even a small event can have a large impact on the stock market. This makes it riskier than other modes and requires more alertness, thereby demanding rigorous monitoring on events and market. So these tips will help you to make money in stock market and avoid costly mistakes. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information on small business, investing and make money online.